Creating APA Citations. Websites. This video will show you how to create a citation for a website in APA style. We'll start with the basic format, and then we'll explain some of the variations. The basic format for a website citation looks like this: the author's name, the date of publication, the title, and the web address. As you can see, the second line is indented. You can do this by pressing Tab or by changing the indentation style, as we demonstrate in the video on formatting a reference page. Let's go through that step by step. First, write the author's name. Last name, comma, space, first initial, followed by a period and space. For example, Silverado, comma, C, period. Next, add the date of publication. Write the year, comma, space, the month, and the day, all in brackets, followed by a period. For example, bracket 2016, comma, March, space, 15, bracket, period. Now add the title of the website or page. Capitalize the first letter of the first word and the first letter of the first word that follows a colon or hyphen, and add a period. For example, roller skating through life, period. If you are citing a specific web page on a larger website, such as a specific article or document on the website, leave the title like this. If you are citing a website as a standalone source, italicize the title. Web pages are quite often part of something bigger, such as a full website. Therefore, most of the time, the title is not italicized. If the format is something out of the ordinary, like a blog post, include the format in square brackets. For example, square bracket, blog post, square bracket. Last, add the web address. Begin with retrieved from and add the URL, followed by a period. For example, retrieved from https://www.myskatesormypals.com. This is the citation for a website. If your source has between 2 and 7 authors, separate the author names with commas and use ampersand between the second last author and the last author. For example, Dion, G, period, comma, Boberson, B, period, comma, ampersand St. Pierre, G, period. For more than 7 authors, after the 6th author, use an ellipsis, then add the last author. For example, Dion, G, period, comma, Boberson, B, period, comma, St. Pierre, G, period, comma, Downer, D, period, comma, Chatty, C, period, comma, Newman, F, period, comma, ellipsis, Harrison, P. Sometimes the author of a website might be an organization rather than a person. If that is the case, write the name of the organization followed by a period. For example, Canadian Psychiatric Association, period. If there is no author, just move the title up to the beginning of the citation. If there is no date of publication, instead write N period D period in brackets followed by a period. Add your website citation into your reference list, with each citation double-spaced and with the lines after the first line indented. You now know how to create a citation for websites in APA style.